absolutely love rainy days, especially rainy fall days. I haven't done any pumpkin stuff this year, so I thought it'd be a good time to pull out some pumpkin spice, make some yummy, warm, delicious recipes. It's cold outside, it's fall. I have done 0 fall pumpkin recipes this year, so I think I was kind of due. I had a bunch of stuff to do today, but it all got canceled because of the rain. So that means I gotta make the best of it. I absolutely love how tasty and delicious pumpkin muffins are. They have a nice warm cup of coffee, cuddle on the couch, maybe a movie. It'll be a good night.